100% placement assistance, 5 to 40 lakhs per annum salary package, zero upfront fees, no hidden charges, pay when you earn minimum of 5 lakhs per annum, 50% scholarship for women candidates. And this is a course in web development which will help you to understand the complete aspects of web development like back end, front end, and everything, and placement needs and industry things. Okay, I mean, how it is working in industry, how is company working, real like kind of projects, everything. So, what if I tell you we have a platform to get all of this under a single roof? Okay, so let me introduce you that a particular platform that you are eagerly waiting to see, and there are so many inspiring points. I really felt that I should share this to you. Okay, so there are some checkpoints which is really unique from others. So let's go through that one by one. I'll take you through that. Before that, if you're very new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and activating the bell icon as well to get the notifications regarding the videos we upload at the right time. Okay, so this is a platform called Function Up for the placement bootcamp. Okay, I mean they provide the bootcamp. They will help you to gain your skill, develop your skill, and then get a job as well. That too in top product based companies in the world. So this is not restricted for technical background students only, technical graduates only. Any graduates from the recent batches and the current final year batches like 2029, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, people can apply to this. Okay, so you can see that the cohort is about to start from 6th Feb in this date, you can see. So if you're a hardworking student, then you can be a part of this cohort for sure. Okay, and there are many features I felt different that are, you can see here, live out sessions are there, uh, and pay only after securing a package of at least 5 lakhs per annum. That is a highlight thing. You can see if you just navigate further, you will get to know the course structure. So this is the online or course degree structure of which is available today. Okay, but when it comes to here about Function Up, this is it. You don't have to pay anything. You can be a part of this course once you start get a job. Start to minimum 5 lakhs per annum only. You have to pay a part of your fees, not complete salary will be taken as fee. No, no, only a part of the fees. Okay, you can see this. Pay zero tuition fee until you get a high paying job, minimum of 5 lakhs. Promises to pay a fixed amount in the duration of 36 months. 50% scholarship for women candidates. Okay, so all these facilities are in here. And if you ask me what are the other facilities in here, if you just scroll you will get that. That is, the main highlight is that you are getting lifetime network, lifetime alumni support. That is the most exciting thing which I have never seen others. That is, once you be a part of this, then throughout your career need you get the people from the industry, you get that network, you get that connectivity, so that you will be guided every time. Okay, you will be getting inputs from them every time. So that's such a huge thing to get, because every day the industry is evolving, industry changing, and it is important to be relevant in this. It's important to hold contacts to maintain or to secure a career, right? So this will help you in that way a lot. Okay, so this is it. Your technical everything will be like taught to you. If you just scroll here, see, these are skills that you will learn: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, data structures, algorithms, MED stacks. So everything you will learn. Okay, back in front end is there. Then apart from that, technical knowledge, soft skills like English speaking, group discussion, presentation sessions are there. So here are the back end course and front end like complete week chart. If you just go through this itself, you will get an idea of what they are doing. Okay, what they will be teaching you and everything. So recent placements is there. If you just click on to this, you will get to know, and testimonials also. So from a couple of stories, I took a couple of people because we have to check the genuinity before bringing it to your plate, right? So I found them in LinkedIn. You can say this is one of the person, Aman Kumar. So he got five developer posts, okay, I mean developer offer letters from five different companies. And you can see here itself, 5 months in Function Up, and then he joined software engineer as Omnicell as a full time. It's been 11 months he's working there. Okay. So in his experience, what he mentioned is that the real world projects that he get to do there was very much very much close to the industry, and which helped him to understand every end point, which helped him to get a job, and he is doing excellent in that. So getting a job is not the final thing. It is just the starting. You have to keep the consistency, you have to keep your work together, you have to survive there. For that, you need your skill. That's right. Okay. So don't ever think that for interview we learn something and just for the interview we'll tell something. No, that is not the end. After that also you have to survive. For survival you need skills. Okay. So next is Farhina Ibrahim, and if you just see her, software developer training at Function Up, and now project manager and software developer at Fanplay Technologies since 1 year. Okay, so her stories also was like that. All the doubt clearing sessions, one-on-one sessions, the real projects that she got to handle, like Amazon book sections, book management, all these things helped her in soft skill as well as in understanding the projects in industry. Okay, that's one of the highlights she mentioned. And next is SM Samir. So similarly, he also had the same thing. You can say software developer trainee for 5 months and become a software developer at Circle of Life Healthcare Private Limited. Okay, so this is it. This is a story of people, and everybody. There's a common thing that everyone have mentioned is that what FunctionUp is providing is something, something which really we want. Like the needs and the provide have been intersecting a lot, so that have helped is what they're telling. Okay, so that is the main highlight for me. I would say that doubt clearing sessions, one-on sessions, getting soft skill training, and getting the real world projects. These things will not be taught by any of the syllabus, and you won't find it anywhere in your graduation too. Only thing is that through those scale courses. But getting a course these days is very expensive. You know that. But if you can take the expense, it's so good and well. But in case if you don't want, if you can't take that expense, it's a financial burden putting into your family or it, then you can choose this because you don't have to pay anything. Once you get a job from that salary, you can pay them well, right? That's it. So and application steps, you can see this is it. First, you will apply for the admission, register your phone number, fill basic details about yourself, fill out education details, then attempt entrance exam, crack admission or interview, complete the basic programming course. Okay, so this is the basic details onto it. I hope the details are clear to you. Let me know if I miss you anything and if you want to hear any of it. And you can see here daily schedule, total 9 hours dedicated to web development on a daily basis, 2 to 3 hours theory and conceptual learning, 2 to 3 hours mentor session, doubt solving, interview preparation, 4 hours practical learning. Okay, and the highlight part is that the people who have got a job in software developer, software developing field, and all these fields. No, it's not the people from directly from technical background. If you're a non-technical background, if you're ready to hard work, if you're ready to take this course, to see it seriously about your career, then definitely you can be a part of it. Okay, so that's another highlight point to see here. So these are the tech companies who function up alumni work at here. I mean, all the function up people who have been passed out from here get to work in these companies, and there are 58 more companies in this section. Okay, and the people whom you are interacting, who is helping you to throughout your this course is people from Microsoft, MongoDB. Paytm, Meesho, Oracle, these companies. Okay, so all the anomalies will be there to support you. There are people to guide you, so this is a great opportunity, and I don't think that any university will give this opportunity for you. And if you can get it for free, then that is it, right? Then that's the way you have to grab it, right? You can see here, this is it. This is the same person that I have shared the LinkedIn details. So they're genuine because I could find them in LinkedIn. And if you just see, this is the function up page, LinkedIn page. You can just click on to this C912 employees on LinkedIn and just navigate through and understand how it is going on and all that. Okay. So I hope the details are pretty much clear to you. It's a all the features I have discussed. In case if you have any doubts or something, you can just click on to this cute little blue button and interact with them and understand the facts, and you can like clear all your doubts before moving into it. If you are someone who is looking for to get, you definitely want to do, but only problem is the money, then this is a very good platform. You don't have to pay. You don't have to depend anyone to start your career. Okay, so I hope the details are clear to you. Let me know if you have any doubts on this and your career needs. Let me know that as well. Suggestions regarding the video content, we'll definitely try to bring that up. Okay, so I hope everyone is safe and healthy. Until I be back again, everybody, bye.